Late Afternoon at the Beach in Autumn by Nicola Anderson. The tide's coming in, wiping away the traces of the people who came from faraway places. More seagulls than people are now on the beach. The predominant sound is that of the screech as they search through the remnants of left behind scraps. Here's a crisp packet and there's some chewed baps. They own the beach at this time of day, eating up the bounty before it's washed away. There's now one lone family at the edge of the shore, then a big wave splashes them and they can't take any more. Laughing and joking, they don't feel too down. They head across the beach and into the town. In the distant white giants stand tall in the sea. Some say they're an eyesore, but I disagree. They eat up the wind and they spew out the power, not by the watt, but the megawatt hour. The shops on the prom have closed for the day, the shutters are down and their owners away. But tomorrow morning they'll be back as they continue their struggle to get into the black. They work while there's trade or until they drop. Life is not easy for a seaside shop. Now the dog walkers take to the prom, up and back down and then they're gone. The wind off the sea starts to feel chill, and so I decide that I've had my fill. I dust myself off and make myself clean, then I go off home to record what I've seen.